Welcome to Chicago, Illinois. It's about 0845 hours local time on Tuesday, February 25, 2025. Southwest Airlines Flight 2504 is approaching Chicago Midway International Airport, the second busiest airport in the Chicago metropolitan area. Operated by a Boeing 737-800, Flight 2504 departed from Eppley Airfield in Omaha, Nebraska about an hour ago. Let's tune to Midway Tower on 135.2.
Tower Southwest 2504, inside runs ILS 31 center.
2504 Midway Tower, runway 31 center, clear to land.
Southwest 2504, clear to land 31 center.
For the Southwest crew, the approach is routine. They prepare the aircraft for touchdown and run the landing checklist. The weather conditions are good, clear visibility and a gentle breeze from the northwest. As the crew pass through 30 feet above the ground, the pilot flying begins to raise the nose, flare for touchdown. Suddenly, both pilots spot an aircraft about to enter the runway ahead. They immediately initiate a missed approach.
Southwest
2504 going around.
2504, roger that, climb maintain 3000.
Southwest 2504 up to 3000.
So 2504, when able, turn left heading 220.
Left heading 220, Southwest 2504. And Tower Southwest 2504, how'd that happen?
Southwest 2358, turn left heading 250 on a 31 center, clear for takeoff.
Left 250, 31 center, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2358.
Southwest 2504, climbing 3000, contact Chicago approach 128.2.
128.2, Southwest 2504.
The Southwest crew raises a good point. How did that happen? Let's switch frequencies to Midway Ground on 118.075 and find out.
FLEXJET 560, turn left on runway 4 left, cross runway 31 left, and hold short of runway 31 center.
Right, left on 4 left, cross 22 or 13 center, FLEXJET 560.
FLEXJET 560 negative, cross runway 31 left, hold short runway 31 center.
Cross 31 left, hold short 31 center, FLEXJET 560.
That was 769, cross runway 22 right, 22 left, take hotel all the way down to the end, left turn on to Tango into Bravo 12.
Alright, we'll cross 2 left on hotel all the way to the end, Tango all the way Southwest 769. 4440 is ready to taxi.
FLEXJET 560, hold your position there.
Hold position, FLEXJET 560.
FLEXJET 560, continue across the hold short of hotel.
Cross hold short hotel, FLEXJET 560.
FLEXJET 560, your instructions are to hold short of runway 31 center.
Without speculating too much, I think it's fair to say that the crew of FLEXJET 560 were confused about their taxi instructions, their position, or both. Runway 31 left, the runway the FLEXJET crew was clear to cross, is about the same width as and quite close to taxiway Foxtrot, where they turned from. The hold short pavement marking for runway 31 left is about 24 metres, 79 feet, from the centreline of taxiway Foxtrot. Approaching runway 31 centre, the runway the FLEXJET crew should have stopped short of, they would have also seen taxiway Hotel ahead. Until 2023, taxiway Hotel was runway 31 right. Even after its conversion, it remains the same width as a runway would be, which might have added to the confusion. Whatever the case, it's now time for the broadcast no pilot wants to hear.
FLEXJET 560, possible pilot deviation, advise you contact Midway Tower at a number when you're ready to copy.
FLEXJET 560, ready to copy.
FLEXJET 560, it's...
FLEXJET 560.
FLEXJET 560, reback correct.
Southwest 2504 was vectored back to the initial approach fix and landed safely. FLEXJET 560 taxied clear of runway 4 left onto taxiway November to speak to Midway Tower, then departed at 09:15 local time, approximately 25 minutes after the incident. Later that day, the National Transportation Safety Board (NTSB) announced an investigation into the runway incursion.